I'm going to pull the fire alarm at Aquapark Płock. Okay, time to run.
What's going on?
Sounds like Stephanie pulled the fire alarm at Aquapark Płock. Come on, Leon. Let's get out of here.
Okay, back at home. Hi, Stephanie. How was your day going?
It's great.
Let's watch the news. After watching the news. Stephanie. How dare you pull the fire alarm at Aquapark Płock? That's it. You are grounded for 17,423 months. As for your punishment, Chloe is here to beat you up.
Ouch! That hurts. This is what you get for pulling the fire alarm at Aquapark Płock.
Go to your room right now.